Today we're going to make a slow cooker meal using top sirloin beef steak, beef smoked sausage, beef broth, bell pepper, onion, and carrots. We're also going to be making cream of whatever soup from scratch as well. Okay, veggies are sliced. They're thinly sliced. For the carrots, they were baby carrots that I cut in half and then cut each half in half. For me, I just don't like big chunks of carrots, cooked carrots. But you can leave the baby carrots whole, cut them in half. You can dice them. You can do whatever you want. Okay, let's marinate the meat. We're going to add some lemon juice. We're not measuring. Some extra virgin olive oil. Coconut aminos. Some parsley flakes. Black pepper. And if I didn't say, this is 3 pounds of top sirloin. Smoked paprika. Basil. Minced onion. And some salt. Himalayan salt. Forgot to add some crushed red pepper. So before I finish mixing, let's add about that amount. Put our gloves back on and give this a good mix. I mean, look at that seasoning. That's what you want. You want to see that seasoning. Let it marinate, y'all. Okay, now we're going to just brown our sausage. And then once it's brown, we're going to set it to the side. And then brown our sirloin. And then get this slow cooking process started. Okay, we're going to remove the sausage. So we don't overcrowd, we're going to brown our meat in batches so we don't overcrowd the pot. You want a nice sear on your meat. Okay, let's flip. Do you see that brown here? This is what you want on your meat when you're browning. Okay, to our last batch of brown meat. We're going to add back, want all the juice as well. Okay, add that all back. We're going to add our broth. Now this is 3 pounds of top sirloin beef that we browned. Now we're going to add 3.5 cups of broth. I use the other half to make the cream of whatever soup. So to this we add the 3.5 cups of beef broth. Now we're going to stir in our cream of whatever soup. A quick stir. Now we're going to stir in our veggies, our carrots, green bell pepper, and sliced onions. Okay, now that we got the veggies mixed in, we're going to add a touch more seasoning. We are seasoning every layer. We're adding the same seasoning as before. So I'm going to add parsley. Again, measure with your heart. Don't be afraid to play around with your seasonings. I'm going to add just a touch of salt. Smoked paprika. Onion powder. Black pepper. And I'm going to add some oregano. I added basil at the beginning, and now we're going to add just a little oregano. We're going to stir that in. Just give it a quick stir. Add the top. And cook on low for 8 hours. Okay, last 30 minutes in, we're going to add our cooked sausage, and I decided to add some frozen spinach. And we're also going to add a cornstarch slurry. I did 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to 4 tablespoons of water. Put it in a mason jar. Gave it a good shake. Mix it in. We're gonna give it time to thicken. Then it's time to eat.